The Digital Process Manufacturing Centre is a unique innovation partnership led by the National Manufacturing Institute of Scotland, supported by CPI and North Ayrshire Council, to help transform process manufacturing sectors across Scotland through the use of digital technologies.
The Digital Process Manufacturing Centre is a transformational project at I3 in Irvine, which is funded through support from the Ayrshire Growth Deal and support from Scottish Enterprise.
The DPMC that we're building here in North Ayrshire will be an incredible resource for small businesses, allowing them to access all sorts of digital skills that they perhaps weren't aware of or simply couldn't afford access to.
The Digital Process Manufacturing Centre is a part of the National Manufacturing Institute Scotland, which is operated by the University of Strathclyde. DPMC is a partnership between North Ayrshire Council and the Centre for Process Innovation, CPI.
The key processing sectors that the Digital Process Manufacturing Centre will cover will be pharmaceuticals, health tech, FMCG, chemicals, agri-tech, food and drink, and there will be a big interface with oil and gas sectors. The gap that we at DPMC are trying to address is the whole translation of Industry 4.0 for the processing sectors.
These will be demonstrated in an open plan area where companies can come and actually experience technologies such as augmented and virtual reality, robotics, factory automation, and predictive maintenance.
The second phase of the DPMC will be a purpose-built facility, and the Council will also invest in advanced manufacturing space around the DPMC area.
It will allow universities and colleges to access the same sorts of innovative and brand new resources that businesses already do to bring the next wave of innovative products to market.
Advanced digital technologies have the power to really transform the processing sectors across Scotland and the UK. And what we're really excited about here at DPMC is the opportunity to work with those companies and deliver the transformations for them, which is about bringing new products to market, enhancing the productivity and competitiveness, and improving sustainability.